Hi, I'm Dr. Barbara Shaw with Colorado State University Extension, and I'm here today to talk about STEM Power Kits and the specific lessons that we have developed to help you present fun and engaging science to your students. And physical science standards say that objects move in a variety of ways. And one of the ways that we know that the students are doing that is observing how children play. Oh boy! So this one includes toys. Since we're looking at the variety of ways things move, we start out by just pushing this around on the ground. And they can see it doesn't move very easily. The material, it's a soft foam rubber. And it's going to stick to the ground even if you're moving it on tile, wax tile. It'll still be fairly sticky. And then get a ball at your school grounds and roll that around. So the shape is different, but also the material that it's made from is very different. The ball will be much smoother and roll easier. This will be sticky. You can roll different kinds of balls to see how they react on the floor. How do they react on carpet? So the project of this one is basically using a ramp and running different things down the ramp to see if they roll, they slide, how they move. And we have thick rubber bands that it is possible to get them to roll, but they will mostly slide. We have spools. So they can get the spools to slide if they put it, depending on how they put it, but they also can get the spools to roll. We have balls and marbles. In addition, we have the little cars. Now we're looking at surface and how different objects move differently on different surfaces, so we also will have them experiment with rolling things down on felt, on sandpaper, coarse and coarser, as well as wax paper, and then the plastic itself. Okay, and the box then holds the ramp up in 3 different levels: low, medium, and high. You notice the ramp, we have the little binder clips so that they can stay out of the way of the object that's rolling. Now, one of the activities is looking at these different surfaces. How far do each of our objects roll? And so with that, there's different color yarn. They could take it and measure it from here to how far it rolls, cut the yarn, and then you can start to build graphs for low, medium, and high ramps. And eventually they're going to see the different material that it's running on really impacts the way the different objects roll. The different objects roll different lengths. The balls are going to roll further. The marbles will probably go the furthest because they're heavy and they're very smooth. And then of course the cars have 4 wheels on them. So what the prediction would be, are they going to roll as far or not as far as these other objects? Which material will the cars roll or the objects roll the furthest? So there's a lot of different play, a lot of graphs that you can build with your classroom. So they start to see science is interpreted by reading graphs, which I think is a very important skill, and you can start it even in kindergarten. They just see it and understand it. I hope that you had fun with these STEM Power Kits. I hope your students had a blast learning more about science, and best of all, I hope those underlying concepts that the standards address have been easily met.